this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix live translation not working in FaceTime on iPhone. Let's get started. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. To check that, launch settings. Now head over to the option General. Here, navigate to the option Software Update. If any new updates are available for your device, just update it. Next thing you want to do is head back to the main page of settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option Apple Intelligence. Make sure Apple Intelligence is turned on. Live translation in FaceTime requires a compatible device with Apple Intelligence enabled. Next, check the languages you are trying to use. Apple requires the supported languages sources to be available, and you may need to download the languages before using live translation. During a FaceTime call, tap the screen to show the controls, tap more and look for live translation or the live captions option depending on your iOS version. Then choose your language and start the translation. If the option is still missing, try turning Apple Intelligence off and back on. Then restart your iPhone. Also make sure your iPhone has a stable internet connection and that FaceTime itself is working normally. If the problem continues, check that your language and region are supported because live translation is not available for every region or language. Finally, start another one-on-one FaceTime call and check the controls again. Once everything is properly enabled and supported, translated captions should appear on your screen as both callers speak. And that's how you can troubleshoot live translation not working in FaceTime on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.